It's Kickin MJ, so today we're gonna do a slime video. Woohoo!
What's up, guys? Welcome back to It's Kickin' It with MJ. I'm Stephanie.
I'm Maya.
And like she said, today we're making
Slime!
Maya's been wanting to make a slime video for so long, but I'm sure all other parents can relate. It's messy. But we finally decided, fine, you can make a slime video for your
So I got
channel.
sparkles. I hope I get blue because it's my favorite color.
Yeah, so she got some sparkle glue. We have a couple different colors.
Mommy.
Some glow-in-the-dark glue. So how Maya wants to do it is she wants to have our eyes covered and we pick the glue from the bowl without knowing which one it is. So I'm going to mix them up. So that,
Now?
okay, well, first, if you haven't subscribed, make sure that you're subscribed and give us a big like on this video. And yeah, so let's get into the
video.
Got our mask on. How many fingers I have up?
3.
Alright, so I'm going to mix them up again so she doesn't have any idea which color she's going to get. You're so silly. Alright. Go ahead, girl.
1.
Well, you only need one, right?
Yeah.
Okay. I think you're going to be happy.
Yay!
Lyric's sleeping, so we can't make that much noise.
Yes, I got my...
So, oh, and it's the glow-in-the-dark one. That's cool. I wanted to make a glow-in-the-dark one.
Haha.
That's okay. There's still the pink and the white one that I can make. I can still manage.
No, there's more white.
Yeah. Alright, so now it's my turn.
Hers. Okay. It's right here. It's right here. No.
This one.
Okay.
Yes! I got glow in the dark too! Good. Alright, so we'll go
Let's
after
get
back
started.
on. Okay, so
I'm so mad.
why are you mad? You didn't want me to get glow in the dark? Why?
No, I didn't get sparkles.
But they have sparkles in it. Okay, fine. You want me to do a sparkle one?
No, it's okay.
Alright. Okay, so this is actually the first time we're ever making slime, so I hope that it goes well for us.
Mommy, we can do it.
Alright, so
We got our balls.
we're gonna put our glue
Hey.
in.
Oh. Wait for me, Mommy.
Need help? Just squeeze really hard.
Yeah.
Is this such pretty glue, guys?
Oh my goodness.
Okay, got it. That's good. Alright.
We still got more.
Now we can use it for another time. Alright. Then we're gonna get our baking soda.
Soda. I'm going first. I'm the YouTuber. I'm going first.
That's pretty close. So you need 2.
Yeah. 1.
Oh.
4.
I hope we're doing this right. Are we?
Yes. We are.
Okay.
I think. Oh yeah, activator now. Mom, we're doing this right. I know how to make slime. Okay.
Alright.
Okay, now make that.
Well, you gotta open it.
Oh my goodness. Okay, Mommy. Your turn.
Now what do? We just mix it up?
Yeah. Ooh, that looks cool.
I think I need more activator though, right?
Yeah.
Probably both.
Oh my god. Ugh. Oh yes, I need more activator. It's getting sticky. Hey! Hey, Mommy! Hey! You be careful. Oh my goodness. Why, sir? Why you didn't use your hands?
It's easier to just do it with your hand.
Mix.
So I'm not even really sure what it's supposed to be like.
Like, it can be sticky or not sticky.
Like, isn't it supposed to stretch like really?
Yeah.
I think you should just use your hand.
Yeah. I have so much activator in here. Oh my goodness.
So we found out today that the kids are not going to be going back to school the day that they were supposed to be going back. So in my opinion, I don't think they will be going back to school this year. I think the school
Mine is gonna be yucky.
is pretty much a write-off.
I'm gonna do
Which
it.
means we'll have a lot of time.
I need more activator.
I think you need to just use your hands, baby girl. Then this, just make sure that you put it away, right?
Yeah.
Can't be leaving your slime all over the house, guys, because then it sticks to things and
Oh my
it
goodness.
doesn't work out very well. Okay,
I'm
yeah.
gonna pull up my pants. Yours is very wet.
Yeah, it's wet, but I think it's how it's supposed to be, right?
Yeah. I'm gonna play with yours. This is mine, guys. You know, it's my slime. It's not my mommy's.
So these are supposed to glow in the dark.
Yeah.
When we're done, we'll take you to see, find somewhere dark, and we'll take you to see if it actually does glow.
Cause I think they're lying.
Well, I don't think they're lying. I think it's gonna glow. See, look, it's getting better.
Thank you.
Hey guys, so we're gonna go to the bathroom. That's just about where it gets darkest. So let's get in. Maya, you wanna take the camera? Okay, so
No, it's okay. Oh, let's see.
let's stay. Move it. Alright. So here it is. Alright, Maya. So in 3, 2, 1. That's so cool, guys! Look at that! What?
Didn't like that down.
Well, I'd say that was a success.
I go play with my slime doll now.
Thanks for kicking it, guys. If you made it to the end of this video and you're not subscribed, what's wrong with you? Make sure you click that subscribe button, click the notification, and give us a huge thumbs up like Maya already told you guys. And we'll see you in the next video. Peace out.